Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, the Stock Analyst. Today's video is regarding a stock which the ticker symbol is SOS, SOS Limited, which is a Bitcoin play. I previously made a video on this particular stock, I think on February 14th, and the stock price was, I guess, around $7. Let me check. Yeah, around 7.5. And after I made the video last weekend, and the very next day I think it opened around $8 or $10 and it went up to $16. It came back. So we know, like, when it's a Bitcoin related play, so if the Bitcoin moves, then the stock will move, and it was like $7.5. So we rode the wave, like we had 200% gain. Then we saw some volatility during last week, and so in this video I'll talk about the price movement, what I'm expecting, and at what price point we should buy back in again. So stay tuned. Also, if you like my video, please do not forget to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Anyway, so let's look at the Bitcoin chart. So we can see that since October how this is going. Like, so there was a resistance around 20,000, then now 40,000. Now we are going like towards 60,000, and there are so many videos like YouTube. You can go and you can see the prediction. Some people are saying it will go to 60,000, then it will come back by May. There should be a pullback, then again it will go to 100,000 end of the year. So any play you have, any kind of a stock that is Bitcoin related, please do your own research before buy or sell any stock, and also monitor Bitcoin movement. You will find lots of YouTube videos and articles. So they have nice chart pattern and predicting like at one point there should be a pullback on Bitcoin. So follow Bitcoin price. If you're long term, then this is okay, but if you're short or mid term, then do some research, so you know like when you should get out, and again then you can get in again. Normally, for my personal case, I normally do not look at long term. I like to play with short to medium term. Whenever I get some profit, then I put those money into a long term growth stock. This is how I'm growing my account. Anyway, so let's look at our ticker symbol SOS. So what is SOS? In my last video I talked about it. I will not go through, but I think the most important thing is blockchain. This is one important thing. Also, they look at the research and development of big data, cloud computing, Internet of Things, blockchain, and artificial intelligence. Okay, and there are some other information. It's a Chinese company, by the way. I know some people, they do not like to invest in Chinese companies, but it's entirely up to you how you want to play. But personally, for this stock, I'm just riding the wave. I'm not long term. I just want to gain some quick profit. Also on February 9th, I think the big news came that they announced receipt of 5,000 PCS of mining rigs ahead of schedule, and after that news, I think then all the run started the following week. Also news came this Thursday, February 18th. So it was announcement of a registered direct offering for 86 million, and I think they said the purchase price for one ADS and one corresponding warrant will be $10, so which is good. So $10, so maybe the price will never come back below 10, or maybe not below $9 anyway, but keep that in mind. So one ADS, which is ADS is like American Depository Shares, ADS, one share, and one warrant will be $10, right? So you know, like the floor $10. So normally whenever there is an offering, normally the price does not go below that offering price. It loves to come, hug that offering price, then it goes up. Okay, and finally, before I go to the chart, let's look at the black one is SOS, the red one is RIOT, and then I have Mara. So basically 3 Bitcoin related play, and RIOT and Mara, these two are the main one they loves to move. So what I want to show you here, since February 16th, you can see how they are moving. All of these are Bitcoin related play, and if the Bitcoin is moving, they're also moving, but they are moving in the same direction, which is good. Even though our SOS is like a $10 stock and RIOT was like $70-$80, but anyway they move same way. And the good thing is when you look at the black line, which is our SOS, the percent change of SOS is higher. At one point it went up to 120%. Definitely it was $7, then it went to $14-15. So if the share price is less, then it can go higher, but at the same time you have more opportunity to gain more profit. You have a stock like $100, it will not go to 200, it can go from 100 to 120. But if you have a stock like $15, it can quickly go to $30. But again, like the bigger company, when the share price is higher, they're more stable, right? You get the point. You need to make the judgment, where should you invest. I'm not suggesting you should not look at higher price companies. Anyway, so let's look at the chart. What we can see, the green lines was my previous analysis. I said 7.5, it will go up. The next morning it started from $10, I think we went to 13, and the very next day from 13 we went to $16. Then we came all the way from 16 to 9, around 9 or 8.80. Then we bounced back. Then now we are moving sideways for last 2 days. Even though we had a rough day Wednesday and Thursday, especially Thursday, the stock was moving sideways, which is good. So which gives me some hope that in going forward we will go higher. And especially you see that particular line, the $11, this line. Let me draw the line, I think it will be better. So around like 10, 11, yeah, around this line I would say, $11, right? Let's make it red. So for last 2 days, $11 is the mark the stock is moving around. So as long the stock can go sideways holding that $11 line, that is a good point, because that means the stock is consolidating. Previously we see the same day from $16, just the way it came to $9, huge volatility. But when you see the stock is moving sideways and consolidating, this is a good thing for you. So that's good. As long it is moving around 11, I think that's good. It is getting ready for the next push up, right? So $11, that is one particular thing. But the volatility is also one more thing. But I think now we are settling in. Okay, one other important thing I want to show, that what's happening here, right? These gap up from 7.5 to 9.5 or $10. There's a big gap up. If any case the stock price comes below $11 and even it comes below 9.5, there's a big gap up. It can easily come down to 7.5 or $8. What I suggest, you can set some limit buy order. So some could be around 9.5 or $8.8, and also set some limit buy order. Maybe you can go a little bit heavy around $7.5. In case it comes back, it will bounce back. You can see that particular day from 16 it came back all the way to 8.8, then it bounced back to $13. So easy $5 gain. In any case, it comes below that $11, it can bounce back from 9.5, or it can bounce from that particular 7.5, but I think it will go up again. And there is nothing bad if you set some limit buy order, because if it comes back, you are getting the shares at a cheaper price, and if it is not filled, you are not losing anything. So keep that in mind. Okay, so finally one more thing regarding pattern, right? So keep a note. If you want, pause the video, look at the lines, the support and resistance we have. So 11 is a support, then we have 9.5, we have 7.5. Also in terms of resistance, we have 12.5, we have 13.7, and around $16-17. Now why I'm interested, let's look at the trend line. It's a 5-minute chart. Let's look at the trend line. So I'm using black color here. So yeah, you see in a 5-minute chart, maybe I can even start from here. Yeah, actually it's not bad. Yeah, so look at the black channel here. So it's a triangle is forming and we are making higher lows, which is good. So again, at the same time, lower highs. So we are squeezing. So on a 5-minute chart, maybe on Monday or Tuesday, we can see there is a push up, maybe higher or down. If the Bitcoin is going higher, definitely this one will go higher. If it comes down, then you can grab some more share. So either way, if you already playing this particular stock, if it goes up, should be happy. If it comes down, don't be upset. Like buy more shares around 9.5 or even 7.5. Just average down your price. So try to see how the stock price will move on Monday and Tuesday, so you can see what's coming. And finally, I want to talk about some option opportunity. So let's go to barchart.com, and I'm looking at March 19th expiry. And if you choose like $12.5 strike, the premium is 2.65. So basically your break even is 15. So by March 19th, if the share price goes to $15, you will be in profit. Or you do not need to wait till March 19th. Let's say next week, if it goes to 14, 15. So any kind of green movement going upward, your premium will be higher, so you can just get some gain and you can sell the premium. You do not need to wait till March 19th. If you want, you can go up to April 16th, May. What about April? 350. What about March 19th? 265. So again, it's up to you how you want to play, but look at the delta. If you go with 12.5, your delta is only 57. So if the stock price moves $1, then your premium, you will gain only $57. On the other hand, if you have shares, $1 movement, your 100 share will give you $100 more increase, but 100 share will cost $1,000. Here it will cost only $265. So there is always pros and cons. So what I'm doing, I'm playing both. So I have, I think currently 60 to 70 share for this SOS. So my plan is, if it comes down, I will just do some deep buying. I will average down my share prices. At the same time, I have some call option. If it goes up, I will get some quick money from my call option. Also, my share price will go high. So either way, it is going high or going down, it doesn't matter to me. My plan is to gain profit. So anyway, that was the main information I wanted to share with you. If you find this information is useful to you, please do not forget to hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I also have few links below. If you in Canada especially, and you want to purchase option, I suggest to use Interactive Broker. The commission is only $1. I have the link below. We can all get some quick benefit. I also have a link for Twitter, StockWith, and Facebook. Normally during the day I do not post YouTube video, but I give some update on my Twitter channel especially, so you can follow me there. And also I have a link for TradingView, this particular platform where I'm drawing all the chart. If you are interested, you follow my link, and once you become a paid member, both of us can gain some quick benefit or some free money, let's say, from TradingView. So anyway, thank you very much for watching this video, and take care, my friends. Peace.